I'm Maria, and today we're going to do a quick how-to video on how to put your all-weather floor mats in. It's pretty simple to do, but we just like to go over it with you so then you guys can do it yourself. So we're going to use my 2018 Sportage. This is mine. I love it. It's my favorite. Okay, so we're going to get started. Alright, so first off, you'll have your original floor mats in, and you're going to make sure that your seat's all the way back just so that it works better, basically. So then you're just gonna pull, you can tug pretty hard, and they'll come out. Both sides. Tug. See? Easy as pie, I guess. Alright, and then you're gonna take your all-weather floor mats. You'll get two for each side, and you'll slide it in, just like so. There are little grooves down here, so basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna find your hook, and you're just gonna push it in, just like so, and you'll do it on both sides, and they are all set. You're all good to go. These floor mats will work for sand, water, so you can use them in the summer, in the winter. They work really well. So you can either go online to our parts store and look up your car to find your floor mats, or you can stop by our parts department and they can help you out. Have a good day.